What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? By the title right there, I guess you can see what we're doing today. We installing more carbon fiber. It's the carbon fiber season. I got all my carbon fiber parts there, just been laying around. So we're gonna put that on today. I mean, not all of it, but you know, we're gonna put something on today that I've been wanting, that I know the car missed. I mean, it's two of them. The car is missing two parts that it looks, you know, it's missing this part right here. And after I put this, it's gonna be missing the other part that I have that we are not gonna be putting in today's video. But I already showed it, so if you've seen my videos, you watch my videos, and you're a real subscriber, you should know what I'm talking about. I showed it in, I think it was my last video. Yeah, my last video, so if you know, you know. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this. I'm going through some stuff that's going wrong with the car. It's right here too, but this is gonna be put on in another video. So vamos a hacerlo en español de una vez. ¿Qué es lo que es, mi gente? Bienvenido a otro video, bienvenido al canal, si son nuevos. Hoy vamos a poner más fibra de carbono al carro. Este paquete que estaba enseñando, y ahí lo saqué de la caja, eso no vino así por si acaso, pero vamos a poner eso, que eso le hace falta al carro, para que el carro se vea como manda la ley. Pero entonces el carro tiene un problemita. Se lo voy a enseñar ahorita. Y esto es lo que se va a poner, pero en otro video. Yo le voy a explicar el problema ahorita, lo voy a enseñar full. ¿Sabes? So, lo voy a tener en el garaje. So we're here now. Let's start with the issue that it's having. Vamos a empezar el video con el problemita que está teniendo el carro. Vamos a ver. Creo que se vaya a ver, no sé si se apagó, pero el otro día eso estaba ahí. Okay. Ahí prendió. So, ya que eso prendió, vamos a ver para que esto prenda. Ahí. Que prenda todo, porque eso dice a Google, no sé. So, now that the check engine light is back on, we're gonna go to this. Hopefully you guys can see it. Read codes. I'm sorry. The car connected to the Apple CarPlay. But we have a new code. Tenemos un nuevo código ahí. That code wasn't there. The code that I was getting was P0230 for a fuel pump primary circuit, whatever. But today, we have in this code, which is P2146. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do my research on that to see what is that, because I don't know. So, en verdad, yo no sé qué es eso, ¿no? Ese código no estaba ahí. Se salió ahora. Y no sé. Bueno, bobo lo que hay. Bobo. Here it is, guys. This is what we are installing. Carbon fiber rear spats. So these go right here. Right there. As you can see, to match up with the side skirt and the lift, because it looks naked, because it doesn't have any in the back. So see, we have a little poke right here, a little poke in the front, but on the rears there's no poke. So with this, it'll look much better. And about what's going on with the car, I'll talk about that in another video. I gotta do my homework, see what's going on. All right, guys. Sorry if you can see down here. I mean, you can, but you know, if it's a little bit uncomfortable, because the phone right now is. I'm gonna show you later how I have the phone. So let me get to this. Oh, and also, I was looking for some 3M tape to put it on here, some rolls that I had, but I don't know, I can't find them, so I'm gonna just try to make it work however I can. Got some black screws right here, so yep. So lo que está diciendo era que estaba buscando el tape y doble cara ese para ponerle ahí. Y yo tenía, pero no lo encuentro ahora, so lo voy a tener que poner así. Le voy a poner, dice que le ponga 3 tornillos, pero le voy a poner que sea 4 o 5 ahí. Bueno, mi gente, so yo tuve que resetearle la computadora al carro para yo poder meter esto ahí abajo porque no cabía. O sea, para poder prender el carro tuve que ponerlo arriba de los blocks. So I had to reset the ECU so I can turn the car on and move it. You know, now with that check engine light, I didn't want to turn it on. So I can put the car in the bricks so this can fit down there and I can drill it in. So let's get to work now. That's in there. Hopefully it fits with this. Yeah, with this it fits. So yeah, should be good now. Alright, so you can come now. You can see it right there. It is a little bit short here, you know. So I don't know if I should move it back or leave it like it is right now. Cause it's flush right here in the front, right here. So no sé, ¿qué ustedes creen? Queda un poquito corto de aquí atrás. Pues tú sabes, eso no está hecho para estar puesto con esto. So this is not made to be put on with this. This is only for the rear bumper. So, you know, we try to make them work together. So I might leave it as is, or I might move it a little bit back, but I don't want to have a gap here in the front and have another gap back here. So I might just leave it. But yep, it does look better now. Bueno, ahora está mejor. Lo eché un chininín para atrás. Lo saqué más de aquí atrás. Porque ahorita estaba todo metido para allá. Solo saqué un chininín para acá. Y ahí está bien. So I pushed it a little bit back. As you can see, there's a little gap. You can barely see it. And back here, you see it's just more flush now. Because I pushed it more out from back here. Because earlier it was all the way pushed in, so it was getting up to like here. So I pushed it more out. And as you can see right there, now it's flush. See, it goes straight up right there. Yep. Now we talking. And I'm gonna have to do the other side quick because look at that rock. I don't think it's gonna fall, but you know, I'm gonna try to do it quick. This is charging here now, so I might let it charge for a little bit. Look at all that mess. Gotta clean that up. So I started working on the other side and it died again. But there she is. That does look good though, right? To this side. And there you have it. Carbon fiber. how it looks. What do you guys think?
I find myself accessing the...
I'll pull it out when I finish.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Pause. So you can see the car sideways. Right here, you know. I gotta show it from here, and then go over there, from there, and then go here, and so. Yep. This is where I had the camera. At first, when I was recording this side, that I said I was gonna show you guys. That's how I had the camera there. Not exactly how it is right now, because I moved it, but it was literally on top of that. This is how it is right now. You gotta get creative sometimes. Yeah, both sides are done now. I'm about to pull the car out so you guys can see it. Here she is, guys. See it right there. See it from here. Yep, the car is dirty. So right now I'm gonna just clean them up, ceramic coat them, so they can look fresh and nice. So now I'm going to ceramic coat the little lip that we put on. Got some armor shield here. Yep, let me get into that. He's gonna put a couple. I do it my own way. I don't know how you guys want to do it, but that's how I do it. When I come, pause, back and forth, sometimes like this, and I won't get the whole thing back there, but back here.
What's up, Benjamin?
What's up, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
I'm good.
You do the cleaning?
Yeah, I'm ceramic coating this real quick here.
Look at you.
Man, that snow is coming already. It's like, you got it, bud. Take care. Now I just let it dry there for like, it's kind of hot today, so it takes up like 2-3 minutes to dry. Then I wipe it down and it's Gucci to go. Let me go to the other side now.